Good evening all. My name is Harshita. I am from 4th Marigold. This is my puppet show on saving trees. We should save the trees. We should not cut the trees. Trees provide us food, shelter, shade and medicine. Trees provide home for birds and animals. Planting trees provides good rainfall. Save trees, save life. Thank you.
Morning teacher, good morning friends. My name is Sakesh Reddy. I am studying third class. Today I am telling you how to do puppet show on trees. I am now showing. He is woodcutter. This is a tree. I need a tree to cut. I will cut you. Oh, do not cut me. Oh, do not cut me. Why are you cutting me? I will cut you. I will cut you. You and I will get money from your wood. No, do not cut me. Think once again. Trees give you food, oxygen, rain, shade, and everything. If you will cut me, you will lose everything. The air also everything. The air become polluted. You will get so many problems. Horse, I am sorry. Now onwards, I do not cut trees. I plant some more trees. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Danyata. I study in 4th Marigold. Today I am going to show you a puppet show about save trees. Let's start. This tree is so great, I want to cut this tree. I'll go get a hammer. Oh wow, this tree is nice and it smells so good. I'll just have some rest right here. Oh, hey, what are you doing? I'm having some rest. Okay, get up. Now get up because I want to cut this tree. What? Why do you want to cut this tree? To have fun. This is wrong. Where will the birds go? Anywhere. Where will you get your oxygen from? Oh, oxygen. It will come from. It can come from other trees also. What happens if I cut this one tree? If you cut this one tree, where will the birds or other animals go and go? I will cut the tree no matter what. Okay, if I inform the police, I'll say no matter what, I want to cut this tree and I will cut this tree. I won't allow it. Oh, why wouldn't you allow it? Because is it your tree to allow? No, it's
Hi, my name is Nitya, studying in 3rd Jasmine. Today I am going to present a puppet show in importance of trees. La 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 la, what nice morning, sun shines brightly. Ha 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 ha, I am a woodcutter. I cut trees. Today there are no trees. What nice tree! Oh, woodcutter, don't cut me. I am so useful to you. How are you useful to me? I give oxygen for breathing and give shadows for humans and animals and shelters for birds. I give food and medicines for humans. Oh, there are so many uses in you. Sorry, my friend. From now, I will not cut trees. And I will tell everyone to plant more trees. So friends, don't cut trees. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Anshula and I am doing a puppet show. It's a conversation between a human and a tree.
Hi human, how are you? I hope you are doing fine.
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm not fine at all. I'm completely choked, burnt and hungry.
Really? How come?
Choked because of the pollution. I can't breathe. Look at me. I'm drying away. You people are so smart and are using ACs more so that the heat generated is burning all the leaves and the trees are going bare.
And hungry because I haven't been fed for years.
Do you even have a clue of what I'm saying?
Yes, it's true. We are so many that it's really getting crowded and there is a big rush everywhere. What solutions do you suggest?
To begin with, you need to stop cutting us. You will die of extreme pollution and suffocation.
And the second one is reduce the use of ACs. Third one, reduce the use of vehicles. Is that all? And most importantly, I'm starving. You need food. Don't you get it from the soil? You have built a concrete jungle and cut off all the city's greenery, and soil doesn't contain any nutrition. I will spread this message to everyone to reduce the use of ACs, vehicles and other pollution-causing practices. I will also scatter all natural waste on the ground so that some manure is created for the trees in the neighborhood. Thank you for helping me to build a better environment. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anaya Visaria. I am studying in 3rd Rose. Today I am going to show you a puppet show. The story is about two brothers, Chunu and Munu. So let's start the story. Chunu is very naughty and Munu is very sincere. Both are walking on road. La 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 la. Wow, look brother, so beautiful plants and trees. I love it. What are you saying, brother? Not at all. They are very, very ugly. No, brother, they are very beautiful. No, I don't believe. And I am going to cut this very much ugly plant. Brother, I am saying you again. I am going to cut this ugly tree. Thok, thok, thok. Stop, brother. Keep this knife down. You don't know. What does trees give us? What does tree give us? Tree gives us oxygen for breathing. Oh, sorry, brother. And trees gives us food and medicine also. And cotton also. Oh, sorry, brother. I did not know that things. Now you know? Yes, brother. Now repeat after me. Okay, brother. Save plants, save plants, save earth, save earth. Thank you.
Morning, teachers and my friends. My name is Bhavika Thapa. I am in third Lotus. Today I am going to tell you a story about two trees and their friends.
3.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful forest. There lived two trees named Chintu and Pintu, who were great brothers. Chintu and Pintu have many friends like rabbit, bear, birds, monkey, and wise wolf. One day, when all friends were playing, suddenly Buddha Tree saw a woodcutter coming towards the forest.
Hey, woodcutter is coming towards the forest. Run, run.
No, we are not. You give us food, shelter, and fresh air to breathe. How can we leave you in a danger and go?
Okay, thank you. Then you can hide behind us.
So all the animals hid behind the tree. Ha ha ha! Be ready. I am ready to cut you. Ha ha ha! When he came near the tree, all animals jumped shouting at him. When all animals were busy at their work, the wise old wolf ran to the lion and told everything. They both ran towards the place where all the animals were. The lion roared at him, and woodcutter ran for his life. Chintu and Pintu thanked their friends. The moral of the story is save trees, save forest. Thank you. I'm studying in third Tulip. I'm going to do puppet show on Save Nature.
Hey, I am Venkat, a woodcutter, and I would cut trees and sell to make money.
Hey, why are you cutting trees? Trees give us shade, fruits, etc. Trees give us oxygen and cool breeze. You should make some money by selling its fruits or its products instead of cutting trees.
Thank you, Kanishka. I came to know how useful trees are.
So friends, grow more trees and save the nature. Thank you.
Once upon a time, there came one man. They cutting trees, but trees said, "Don't cut me, because I give you oxygen, fruits, and vegetables, and I give you air also to breathe. I breathe carbon dioxide and give you air. That's why you don't cut trees." Man said tree, but man said, "Shut up! I don't tell for you." Tree said, "You don't cut trees," said trees. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. My name is Kalyan Krishna. I am in third row. Today I am doing a puppet show. There was a beautiful forest. There were two trees named by Chintu and Mintu. There are so many. They have so many friends. They have so many friends. Vishesh Agarwal from 3rd Jasmine. Let us see how a little girl stops her father from cutting trees and comes up with an idea for their living. Bye Baba, I am going to school. Bye Ria. Ria leaves for the school and her father leaves for the jungle. In the evening they both come back. Baba, can I come with you to the jungle tomorrow? Why dear? Baba, tomorrow is an holiday. Okay. In the morning they both get ready and leave for the jungle. When Ria sees that her father was about to cut the tree, she stops her. Baba, why are you cutting the tree? What happened, Ria? Baba, you don't know that we should not cut trees because trees give us food, rains, oxygen. Imagine that you cannot live without oxygen. I know that Ria, but I don't know any other word. I have an idea. What, Ria? Baba, if we plant more flowers, plants and sell them in nearby village, like that we can earn our living. Nice, Ria. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rani Karash. I am from 3rd SSC School. Today I am gonna do a puppet show with my friends Anvika and Lakshana. So let's do. Hi, my name is Anvika and this is my beautiful garden. Hi, my name is Akshita. I'm Anvika's best friend. Oh, hi Akshita. What a surprise. Yes, I came to see your garden. Oh, sure. Oh. Wow, so nice. What are those penguins? They are my pets. Oh. Hey, see what a beautiful butterfly came to my garden. Wow, it's so beautiful and colorful. Yes. There are so many flowers and trees. That's why butterflies like that will come. Oh, okay. 1 second. Wow. It's so tasty. Where did you buy it from? I didn't buy. It's from my trees. Wow, it's so fresh and tasty. Hey, butterfly flew away. What's that sound? Hey, that's the truck sound. Hey, where are all my trees? Where are all gone? Where are they? I'll ask Mr. Truck. Mr. Truck, where are all my trees? Huh? Mr. Truck? Mr. Truck, where are all my trees? We are starting, we are building an apartment, so we cut down all the trees. Oh, my trees. Sorry, I can't do anything. Oh no. My pretty little plants. So, hi friends. The moral of the story is we should not cut down the trees. If we cut down the trees, we will not get oxygen and we will all die. The tree is giving birds and animals food and shelter. If we cut down the trees, birds can't have home because birds build their nest on the trees, right? So, if we cut all the trees, we will get more oxygen. So, save plants, save trees. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Hasni. I am studying third tulip. Today I am studying about importance of trees and plants. I am gonna cut the tree.